Maybe consider it for asking for the formal defense allows you to use that kind of code within your group. Okay? Just to inform you. Payment system. And we work now here.
Let's proceed to the scope of our system.
Payment system of?
Payment system of a grocery store. Example, part of grocery store. Grocery store.
So
you have a specific company.
you have to be specific, huh? Payment system of grocery. Go ahead.
Let's proceed to the scope of our system. Our system is payment. The scope of our system is the only admin can log into the system and check the product and change its price. Cashier is just the user of the system.
In absence of admin, do you have alternative personnel or person who can log to your system so that the system can be used by your cashier?
Yes, of course. We have the cashier system.
But a while ago, you said that only the admin can log into your system so that the cashier can access the
admin can only log into the system to check the products and the cashier's account.
Sure, right?
Only the admin can
Check the products.
as a cashier.
Can modify the products and cashiers. Second, it
Has an option button between product code and product name for easy search of product to be purchased.
Check ko na ito. Parang ginagawa na ako ngayon.
In addition of that, third one, it can issue an official receipt to the customer for them to exchange their expired or damaged products. It can issue a receipt for them.
Also, it displays the name of the cashier and bagger on the main form and print in the receipt for their customer to know who is the bagger and cashier on the time of purchase.
Pakiulit nga, can issue an official receipt to the customer for them to exchange their expired or damaged products.
Yes, sir.
Yes? If I will be your customer, I can return the product if it's expired already, right? What if I bought a can of sardines and I returned it to you after 1 year? It's expired already.
The receipt has a date. That's why the system can
Track. Can track if it's a valid product or not.
Saan ka magagamit?
because it has print of time and date. Purchase.
Next. It displays all the information on the main form that is readable for their customer. Afterwards, we show them.
As an edit, add, delete, cashier and bagger.
It also can add, modify the records of bagger and cashier.
Modify the record of the bagger.
We have bagger for the
Ordinary grocery, you have bagger?
Ayan,
Just like Mark,
just
We
like
have-
Parko yan, parko lang.
they have a bagger.
The bagger has the role on your system. The bagger has the role on your system.
A little bit.
a little bit, so the bagger is using the system as well. Oh.
Only the cashier. The cashier will,
So why did you mention the mugger? Mugger.
it is included in our system. It is included in our system because the bagger has the
As letter B.
it is included to track the receipt if it is who is responsible for that transaction or
So the bagger will check the receipt based on the
it is
system.
included in our receipt. So if the if their client is exchanging their damaged goods or they can track it if who is the bagger who is cashier on that time.
Mm.
Because it also printed in the receipt.
Also, we have a list of products purchased price and selling price and the investment of all the current products.
Is it possible that the owner can be a bagger? Is it possible that the owner can be a bagger?
Maybe if we in our system can
If the owner wants,
if the owner wants to input the name of the
as a bagger.
as a bagger,
I'm just asking.
it is possible in our system.
In reality,
In reality, I don't know if the owner wants it or
sometimes it happens.
Yes.
Sometimes the owner is the bagger in the cashier.
admin can determine the sales. The admin can determine the sales in daily, monthly, and yearly.
And also the total from
And
very
also the
start.
total from the very start of the system.
Daily, monthly, yearly, what? Product
Yearly
sold?
sales.
Sales.
And also, admin can change the password of the cashiers for additional security. Can modify the account of the cashier.
But the cashier cannot change its password.
They can also change their password.